Hello, I'm Diaan. Today I'm going to make a paper aeroplane which goes very fast. First I'm going to fold the paper into half like this. Like this. And now I'm going to open it. I'm going to fold them into triangles like this. I'm going to fold it again like this. I'm going to fold it again like this on one side, and then I'll do the same thing on the other side. And now I'll turn the paper, and then you'll see a line over there, and then you'll fold it from that line to the other paper. We are going to fold it like this into halves, and now it will look like this. And now we'll fold it like this. We'll fold it like this, but it should not touch till here, only till there. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. And now we'll take this part of the paper aeroplane, and then we'll fold it like this. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. And then like this. And then now we'll open it. And now it will become like this. And now let me show you how it works. Let me try again. And you have to throw it as hard